Welcome to part 2 of My Pet Belle. If you haven't watched part 1, the first video about My Pet Belle, please go back and do that now. We're going to start by reviewing the sight words you learned in the first video. We'll play Beat the Teacher. I'll point to the word and you're going to say the word before I do. Ready? Here we go. Say the word. Have. Say the word. My. Say the word. Will. Say the word. Likes. Say the word. The. Say the word. Said. Say the word. Is. Say the word. To. Did you remember the sight words that you had learned? Were you able to say them today? Great work. Now we're going to practice some decodable word reading. You're going to say these words, and we're working on our fluency and our accuracy. So you're going to say them quickly and accurately. Ready? Here we go. Say the sounds with me. N, fun. Z, n, zen. Add, mad. K, app, cap. K, on, con. Great work. Keep saying the sounds with me. Here we go. S, ip, sip. L, ed, led. N, egg, neg. F, og, fog. W, egg, wag. Awesome job. One more row to go. Ready? Say the sounds. B, an, ban. T, axe, tax. B, ox, box. R, at, rat. B, et, bet. How did you do at saying your CBC words? Now we're going to move on to reading our story. We'll read My Pet Belle together. Read the story together, so say the words out loud with me. Ready? Say the words, My Pet Belle. Keep reading along with me. I have a pet. My pet is a pig. My pet is Belle. Belle is 10. I am 10 too. Great job saying the words with me. Keep it up. Belle is not a big pet. Can Belle be on my bed? I tell Mom. Belle can nap on my bed. Keep reading the words out loud with me. Here we go. Mom will not let Belle be on my bed. Pets do not go on the bed, said Mom. Belle will have a pen. Pets go in a pen. Belle likes the pen. Wonderful job reading along with me. Now we're going to move on to our duet reading, which is a little trickier. I'll say the white words and you'll say the yellow words. So on this page, I would say my, you would say pet, and I would say Belle. So we're reading every other word. Let's try it. My Belle. Great. Now you're going to read all of the words in yellow throughout the whole story. Here we go. I, a, my, is, pig. My is bell 10? M 2. Bell not big can be my mom can on bed. Mom not bell on bed. Do go the said. All right, keep reading the yellow words. Last page. Here we go. Bell have pen. Go a bell the. Wonderful work on your duet reading. Now that we've done that, we are going to take a look at some comprehension questions from the story. Comprehension means I understand what I read. So let's start with the first question. Read it out loud with me. What is my pet's name? Say your answer out loud. In the text on page 2 and throughout the text, we see the pet's name. My pet is Belle. So Belle is the pet's name. Let's take a look at the second question. Read it with me. Where do I want Belle to be? Say the answer out loud. On page 4, I tell Mom Belle can nap on my bed. So I want Belle to be on my bed. That's the answer for that question. Let's read the last question out loud together. Where will Belle live? Say your answer out loud. On page 6, we see Belle will have a pen. And a pen is kind of like a fenced-in area to stay in and live in. All right, now that we've done our comprehension, it's time to do some writing. Get out your pencil and your paper that looks like this, and let's do some writing. We'll start with the CVC words at the top. All right, your first word that you're going to write is the CVC word mom. Say it with me. Mom. Let's say the sounds. Ah, 3 sounds. Write a letter for each of the sounds that you hear. Mom. I'm going to write mom right on the first line here. Mom. Let's take a look at how you did. Did you write mom like this? M-O-M. Nice work. All right, on your second line, you're going to write the word bed. Bed. Say the sounds you hear in bed. B-ed. Write letters that represent those sounds here. Bed. Bed. All right, let's check out how you did. And if you didn't get it, you can go ahead and change your word to make it say bed. Bed. Look and see that if you have a B first. B makes the B sound, and it starts with a line and has a circle after it. B-E-D. For the D sound, we make a D. D has a circle first. Check that your B and D are spelled correctly. Bed. All right, on your last line, you're going to write the word big. Big. Say the sounds in big. B-ig. And write the letters for big on this line. Big. Let's check out how we would write the word big. 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 Check that your B has a line going down and then a circle. Here are all 3 CVC words we wrote. Take a look at them and make any changes you need to so your words are spelled correctly. We're going to move on next to the super challenge. For this one, you're going to write an entire sentence. We're going to do that right here below on our paper where you see the star. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. That means there'll be 4 words in our sentence. Our sentence is, my mom said no. Say it with me. My mom said no. The first 2 words are my, mom. Let's write just those 2 words. Write the word my on the first line. My. Write my on this very first line. Make sure you use a capital letter because you're starting your sentence. My. The second word is mom. Write the word mom on the second line. My mom. Your first word's my, and your second word is mom. Remember, if you don't know how to spell a word, do your best, and you'll see how we do it correctly in just a minute. My mom. Our sentence is, my mom said no. So our last 2 words are said, no. We'll write the word said on this third line. Go ahead and do that now. Said. Said. Said is a heart word, and see if you remember the letters that make that heart sound. Said. Now our sentence says, my mom said. Our last word is an easy one. The word no. I bet you say that or hear that a lot. No. Spell the word no on this little line at the end. No. My mom said no. My mom said no. And put a period at the end. Let's take a look at what this sentence would look like. All right. We're going to start with the word my. The word my is a heart word because the Y is making the I sound. My. I have a capital M and a Y. My Y goes under the line. Remember, do not write any hearts. The things in red are just to help remind you. You're writing only M and Y. Once you've got it, give yourself a check. My. The next word is a CVC word. Mom. M-O-M. Give a check mark when you have the word mom written correctly. My mom. Next we have the word said. This was a tricky one because I hear a s, I hear an E sound, but it's made with an A-I. I have to remember that by heart. S-ed. The A-I is in the middle making the S sound. S-A-I-D. Give yourself a check mark when you have spelled said correctly. My mom said no. The word no is an N and an O. Once you have that spelled correctly, give yourself a check mark. Check and see if you have a capital at the beginning of your sentence and a period at the end. Check to see if you wrote your letters correctly. Did your D go all the way up to the top? Did your smaller letters just go to the dotted line and end on the bottom line? Did your Y go way under? These are things you can check for to make sure you have your very best handwriting. Let's read the sentence one more time. My mom said no. If you need more time looking at the sentence, click pause. Otherwise, this is the end of this video. Awesome job working on your CVC words, your sight words, your reading, and your writing. Way to go, friends!